Have you ever wondered what drives the immense diversity of life on our planet? The answer, in a word, is evolution. Our journey begins in the early 19th century with the birth of a revolutionary idea. In 1831, a young Charles Darwin embarked on a voyage aboard the HMS Beagle. What he observed during this expedition laid the groundwork for the theory of evolution. Darwin noticed that species from different regions had similar traits, yet they were distinct in many ways. This led him to propose the concept of natural selection, the idea that species evolve over time, adapting to their environment to enhance their survival and reproduction. But it wasn't just Darwin who provided insights into evolution. Alfred Russel Wallace, a contemporary of Darwin, independently conceived the theory of evolution through natural selection. His work, often overlooked, contributed significantly to our understanding of how species change over time. Evolution isn't just a historical process, it's ongoing. It can be seen in organisms like bacteria, which rapidly adapt to environmental pressures, such as antibiotic resistance. These microscopic creatures evolve so quickly that scientists can observe changes in real time. Similarly, it's evident in animals and plants that have adapted to fill every conceivable niche on Earth. From the high-altitude Sherpas of the Himalayas, whose bodies have evolved to cope with low oxygen levels, to the cacti of the desert, which have developed ways to store water, evolution is a constant dynamic process. Our understanding of evolution has transformed medicine. Vaccines, for instance, rely on our knowledge of how viruses evolve. By predicting how a virus might change, scientists can develop more effective vaccines. But is evolution an absolute truth? In science, absolute truth is elusive. While the evidence supporting the theory of evolution is robust, it continues to be refined and expanded as new data emerge. For instance, the discovery of DNA and the subsequent development of genetic sequencing technologies have provided a new level of detail to our understanding of evolution. Yet, despite the overwhelming evidence, some still question the authenticity of evolution. It's important to remember that scientific theories aren't just guesses. They're the best explanations we have, supported by a vast body of evidence. And the evidence for evolution is compelling, from the fossil record to the genetic code of living organisms. In essence, evolution is the grand narrative of life on Earth. It explains how the simplest of life forms have given rise to the incredible diversity we see today. It's a tale of survival, adaptation, and change, a testament to the resilience of life in the face of an ever-changing world. To sum up, we've journeyed from the early days of Darwin and Wallace through the microscopic world of bacteria and into the varied niches of animals and plants. We've seen how evolution has shaped medicine and grappled with the question of truth in science. Remember, evolution isn't just a theory, it's an observable, measurable fact that continues to shape the world around us. It's the story of life itself.